You can't have a client waiting forever for a server to process a request. This will be bad user experience, and also it will put more load on the server, which is why you always implement timeouts in the requests. So the client makes a call to the server, waits for some time. If it doesn't get a response, it moves on. Now there are two ways to handle the timeouts. One is to give up and show an error, or the client can make a retry call. So the client makes a call to the server, waits for some time. If it times out, it will send the same call again. If it times out again, it will retry the same call. And this way it will keep on retrying until the server responds or the client exhausts the maximum number of retries. This type of retry is called instant retry, and it can be bad because the client can keep on making the same call again and again while the server is already exhausted. The better approach is to implement exponential backoff. The client sends a request to the server. If it times out, the client will wait for some time before making the next call. If it times out again, the client will double the waiting time and then make the retry call. After every timeout, the client will keep doubling the waiting time, so 4 seconds, 8 seconds, and so on before making the next calls. One problem with exponential backoff though is if you have a lot of clients and they all fail at the same time, their retry delays will overlap and the server will still get the retry request at the same time. To fix this, we add some randomness to the delays. So instead of sending the request at the same intervals, we add some random value to each of the client's delays so that the server may not get the request at the same intervals. This random value is called jitter. So remember, always implement timeouts on your requests. If you need to implement retries, have exponential backoff with some jitter.